Hello friends, in this lecture we will see feature-based machining, and feature-based machining is the automatic type of machining, and it NX will automatically create the toolpath for our part, and it will work only for the holes and for planar geometry. For any multi-axis or any contour shape it will not work. So first of all I am going to define my workpiece. My part is this, and blank I am using as a bounding block. Okay, this is a bounding block. Click OK and OK. Now you can see here we have this machine feature navigator. You can use from here, or from here this feature we have option. Okay, from here we can use this find feature and this create feature we can use from here, or either from here. So I'm going to right click here, and here we have find feature. The first I'm detecting the feature, whatever the feature is available in this geometry, in this model. So parametric feature, and click over this find feature. Okay, all the feature are recognized in this box. Okay, just click OK and see all the features. And I'm just selecting this first. This is rectangular slot or brown slot, another oblong, open surface, partial open, rectangular, hole, again one planar surface. So I don't want to do anything on this face, so you can delete it from here. Another this plane, see one more face, see some more face, this rectangular face. Okay, so delete. I'm not going to create anything on this face. So from here to this last I'm right click and delete. So we have only these feature, so select all this feature, use shift key and right click over here, and we have create feature process, so that it will create a process for our feature. And in this window, create feature process window, see it is rule based option. And what I'm going to do, I'm using milling and drilling operation. So I have selected this, all the operation which is under this mill and drill will select. Okay, click this OK, and go to this operation navigator, and here we will see this operation are automatically created from the feature. See, but still we have to generate it. So here the tools which are used in our operation, it has already taken from the library the tools which we have in our library. So if you want to change any tool we can change, because these all are tool from the library, and you have any different tool, so we can change or we can edit any tool. Just double click over it and you can change the dimension of your tool as per your requirement, as per your availability of the tool. Okay, so no problem, I'm just updating, I'm just generating all these. So click over it and click here to generate the tool path. And I can reorder all this program if I want. So suppose I want first this operation, second this operation, so I can drag and drop. If you will drag and drop, it will change. Okay, so just click and generate, another operation will generate. Again this generate, set path, click, generate. I will show you how it is working. I will show you. And this whole generate, first spot drill, then center drill, another pocket. Okay, no problem, this is a warning. Okay, all the operation are generated. Now I want to see the verification of all these. So just select and verify toolpath and 3D dynamic and play. See, this material is still remaining. Okay, so we can add any operation anywhere in your list. Okay, so this is my first operation, second and third. So I want to drag it here. So first operation is this, and again second, then third. So click here, and if you will verify it, play. Okay, and for this just go to and see, here we have all operation. This is the pocket operation. Where it is here. So drag and drop on the top. Okay, and click to generate all these. Okay, let's see this first operation now. Verify this toolpath, play. See, this is the first operation. Now second is this. If you will verify, first IPW will consider. Okay, on the same way we can make any changes. Suppose I want to make the change in my tool. So this is a tool. Okay, so it is used for three operation. I can change from here. Just go to this, and if you want to increase the length, you can increase this length. Rest operation will update automatically. So hope you understand this, how to generate, how to create feature based machining.